This class is about beans. What is beans and what is its work? This class tells you about all these things. So in Adobe Premiere Pro, beans are organizational tools used to manage and categorize video files such as video clips, audio files, and graphics within our project. Beans provides a way to structure and arrange your media assets, making it easier to find and work with specific files during the editing process. Creating a bin in Premiere Pro is a simple process, and how we can do it in the Premiere Pro in the project panel, which is typically located in the lower left corner of the interface. Right click in the empty space or on an existing bin and look at this. First of all, we have to import media to organize bin. These are the bins for delete bins. If we want to delete bins, we can use this icon. If we want to create a new bins, double click on this, and here is a bin. This is a bin. First of all, we have to import media, so Control I, and we are importing some media to organize our bins. So these are the files open in the project panel. So these are the files which we used in project panel, and this is our bin. First of all, open this bin and you can see this is a bin, new bin. If we want to modify the bin, we can rename. This is a new search bin. This is a new bin. We can use new bin here. We can rename the bin. These files are in the bin. So we have created many types of bins. First of all, we can create our video bins. Video bin, this is our video bin, and select this bin. Now create another bin. This bin is for audio, so write it audio and select. You can create another bin. This bin is for sequence and select, and now we can create another bin. This bin is for effects, and we have to create another bin for our templates. So look at these bins. These are the bins for our media assets. So look at these templates, effects, video, sequence. If you want to change the color of the bins, you can change it. Look at this: yellow, brown, green, tan, teal, blue, purple. You can choose any color. So if we want to change the color brown, select brown, and look at this. Our audio bins is in brown color, and we can change the color green. Look at this change in the bins. These are our bin, and this is for audio sequence, video sequence. This is for audio sequence, video, effects, and templates. If we want to delete, select this and go to the delete icon. So simply you can delete your bins. It's important to note that deleting a bin will remove all the media files it contains from your project. If you want to remove a bin, but keep its content. You can simply drag the files of the bin and before deleting the bin. So this class is about bins. You can easily create your bin and delete your bin.